It's all about planning for the future. Battery Creek High School is hosting a reality day. Students in every grade level are taking part in several hands-on activities designed to help prepare them for life after high school.
Everybody gets to get a grasp on what kind of how the real world is outside of high school and maybe after college and stuff like that. Or even if you don't go to college, after you graduate, this is how life is gonna be and stuff like that when you get your job.
Even when we leave here, we still gonna have to learn how to do all the stuff that they teaching us. So I think this is good because it's teaching us how to manage everything in the real world and not just in school.
We should have a plan. What should our plan be? What type of plans should we have?
Upperclassmen are attending a career and college fair and getting a first-hand look at real-world responsibilities during Reality Day. Each student is assigned a salary based on a career of interest, then challenged to make financial decisions, paying bills, and learning how to manage a monthly budget.
What I liked about this is I got to actually figure out what the real life experience of actually having to calculate your bills and all this kind of stuff and what you had to go through and the thought process and what you have to think about when you're doing this kind of stuff.
Students are also meeting with school counselors to review their transcripts, connecting with alumni, discussing life after high school, and participating in activities that build essential skills like time management and decision making.
We are creating real life schedules that we do, everything that we do in a day, we're just writing it down on a schedule and we're just showing them what it's like in a day of our life and how much time we waste and stuff.
Reality Day is all about preparing the students for future success.
I hope that they can learn a little about what life is like now, as well as what life might be like for them in the future, especially for our seniors that are about to graduate, learning about bills and credit scores and general life things. So hopefully it'll help them make better decisions for their future.
Reality Day lasted about 2.5 hours as students rotated through the engaging real-world activities. At Battery Creek High School, Ron Lopes, Beaufort County School District.